Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video, I'm gonna show you yet another April's gel design. These are more for like summer, or if you're looking for something a little bit more fancy but also fun. It's an April's Gel X method, so I will give you more explanation in previous videos that I have. I'll try to link them down below in the description box if you want to check them out. This is mostly just in the design and preparation after I apply the nails, but I hope that you really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not following me on my social media yet, you can do so. I'll give you all the links down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So like I mentioned, I had already applied the nail tips, and I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you the design. I apply some gel base coat. If you want to know more about how I do the preparation of my nails, how I apply the tips, I'm gonna give you the links to those other videos down below in the description box, or you can look through my playlist. I apply one layer of base coat, and this helps for the nails to be harder and last longer, and then I cure it for 60 seconds. Then I go ahead and apply this pink nude-ish kind of color. This is a 036, and I'm gonna give you the links to this down below in the description box. You can buy it on Amazon. And since this is a very light or like clear-ish gel polish, I wanted to cover everything, and so I go ahead and apply 2 to 3 coats, but this depends on however you want your look. And I obviously cure my nails in between each coat. I cure them for 60 seconds and then apply the next coat. That is basically just what I do for the base, and then I use this nail art gel polish. You can also use a regular white gel polish and use some nail art tools, but I find this one to be easier to use. I'm gonna also link it down below in the description box if you guys want to buy it. It comes in a pair of 2, a white and a black one. So for most of my nails, I just do some French style nails. I'm kind of start just with the outline of it, and then I fill it in with the rest of the brush and the rest of the paint. I also try to cure each nail one at a time, just so that it doesn't get messed up. And for my middle finger and my ring finger, I decided to do some flowers. It depends on the length of the nail that you're gonna do, but for mine, I decided to do 2 to 3 flowers per nail, and I just draw the petals with the tip of this thin brush, and then went ahead and grabbed the black nail polish and drew some dots in the middle. Again, you can use a dotting tool if you have. I just found these tools to be easier. After that, I cure them and I apply some gel top coat, and that's basically it. It's super easy, and you can change the design however you want. For my other hand, I decided to only do the design on one of the nails instead of 2. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys really like it. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want me to do more April's Gel X videos, let me know in the comments down below. I love doing nail tutorials and nail art, so I can also explain you more in depth on how I do the nail art and what kind of tools I use and some of the products I recommend for April's Gel X, even if they are not the original April's Gel X brand. I have some dupes that I really recommend, so let me know if you want to know more about that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on more of the next ones. Bye guys!